Hey, this is Dr. Green with Momenta Chiropractic, and today we're going to go over a variation of the Jefferson Curl that helps to take a little bit of strain off of the lower back. So if we're a little bit sensitive to end range flexion in the lower back, this option essentially helps us use a little bit of hand assistance on something like a bench to be able to offload those tissues and really focus on getting a good stretch through the hamstrings. So in a normal Jefferson curl, what we're going to do is think about segmentally rounding from the neck through the upper back, through the lower back, and then flexing through the hips to be able to get the hamstrings to stretch. So what that would look like is curling the neck, allowing the upper back to round, slowly rounding into the lower back, keeping those knees locked out until we get into a full fold position, and then slowly getting out of that position. So if we have a case where there's a little bit more sensitivity in the lower back and we can't handle that full flexion position in the lower back, or add weight to assist to be able to pull us deeper into it, we're gonna place the hands on top of a bench or even a chair just to be able to kind of offload a little bit of that weight and emphasize the hamstrings here. So in order to do this, I'm going to go down in the same way. My hands are going to go on the bench here just to be able to support, and I should allow myself to flex forward, being able to get a nice stretch through the hamstrings. Now in this position, what I'm going to do is bend the knees slightly to be able to sit my hips a little bit lower, and again, place my hands on this bench to be able to offload some weight, which should take any discomfort out of my low back. Then from this position, I'm going to straighten my knees, squeeze my quads, and drive my hips towards the ceiling to then get a deep stretch in the hamstring. I'll hold for about 3 to 5 seconds and then relax. So I get a breath in here with my knees bent, and then breath out, driving my hips up, knees back, and should feel a pretty intense stretch through the backs of my hamstrings. And then relax. So this is just one option to kind of be able to work on those hamstrings in the absence of being able to get that full flexion through the low back. We'll use this for a period of time and then transition to the regular Jefferson curl once it's tolerable, and then begin loading the hamstrings through a little bit more end range. So I hope that was helpful, and if you have any questions, let us know.